Need to record your screen for tutorials, gaming, or presentations? With so many tools out there, finding the best screen recorder for Windows can feel overwhelming. Stick around, we will break down the top options and help you pick the perfect one for your needs. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's video, we are exploring the best screen recorders for Windows. We will compare features, ease of use, and performance, so you can choose the right tool whether you are a gamer, content creator, or just need to capture your screen for work. Let's jump in. 1. Use OBS Studio. OBS Studio is a free open-source screen recorder and live streaming tool available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. It allows users to capture high-performance video and audio, create customizable scenes with multiple sources, and switch seamlessly between them. With features like noise suppression, gain control, and plugin support, OBS is widely used for recording tutorials, gameplay, and professional streams. Download the software from the official website to avoid malware. Then, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Here, we are showing how you can record the screen using OBS Studio. First, download the OBS Studio from here. Next, finish the installation process as shown. Now, open the OBS Studio app. Once you launch the app, OBS Studio prompts you to configure its basic settings. This step is important because it's where you tailor OBS to your specific recording needs, like resolution and bitrate. You can always adjust these things later as needed. Go to the sources box at the bottom and click plus. Then select the display capture option. Then select OK. Adjust the settings here as per your preferences. You can select the hotkeys and create keyboard shortcuts as required, like here we are setting few hotkeys for recording and to stop the screen recording. Start the recording by clicking the Start Recording button or the hotkey you have just created. Once you are done, click the Stop Recording option or the hotkey to stop recording. Confirm when prompted. To check the recording, click on the File tab, then select Show Recordings option. OBS offers more advanced features and customization for professional recordings. You can go on and adjust the settings as per your requirements. While downloading third-party applications, always make sure you download them from trusted sources to avoid potential security risks and malware. Keep your antivirus software up to date while downloading and installing any new software. 2. ShareX. ShareX is a free open-source screen capture and recording tool for Windows. It lets you record your screen with or without audio, capture screenshots, and even upload files directly to hosting services, all with customizable hotkeys and lightweight performance. Step-by-step guide to recording with ShareX. Download ShareX from its official site or you can get it from Microsoft Store. Install and open the program. You will see a sidebar with capture options. Configure recording settings, go to Task Settings, click Screen Recording Options. Select Application Settings panel and adjust the options. From the main menu, click Capture then Screen Recording. Choose Full Screen, Window, or Custom Region. Drag to highlight the area you want to record. Press the hotkey Shift plus Print Screen or click Start Recording. A small toolbar appears with options to pause or stop. Press Shift plus Print Screen again or click Stop. The recording is automatically saved to your default folder. You can configure auto-upload to services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or Imgur. Edit and share. Use ShareX's built-in editor to trim, annotate, or add effects. Export an MP4, GIF, or other formats depending on your needs. Share directly via link if auto-upload is enabled. Customize shortcuts for faster workflow. Always test mic or system audio before recording. Use lower frame rates for tutorials to reduce file size. Great for recording entire web pages or long documents. 3. DemoCreator. DemoCreator is a lightweight cross-platform screen recorder for Windows and Mac. It captures your screen, webcam, and system or mic audio and includes quick editing tools so you can trim, annotate, and explore fast, ideal for tutorials, demos, and social clips. Here is how it works. Download and install DemoCreator on Windows or Mac, then launch the app. You need to sign up with your account credentials. Decide what to record: screen, window, app, whether to include webcam, and outline key moments. To record in Windows, open DemoCreator and choose Video Recorder if you want to record a screen. Pick the option you want to record, like here, we are selecting Screen. Adjust the frame and then click on Settings or the gear icon and make a few adjustments. Like, you can select single track recording or multiple recording. Hide the mouse cursor, make adjustments during recording and after recording. To select the capture area, drag to frame the exact content, avoid notifications popping in. Click on Start often to begin. Pause or resume as needed. And stop or press F10 to finish. Once done, review and trim your work. Cut dead air, mistakes, and long pauses. Annotate. Callouts. Add text, arrows, and shapes to emphasize steps. Zoom or pan. Guide attention during complex actions. Format. MP4 or general use. Set bitrate for quality versus size. Destination. Save locally or publish to your platform. 4. ScreenRec Free Screen Recorder Overview. ScreenRec is a lightweight free screen recorder that captures your screen, microphone, system audio, and webcam, then instantly generates a shareable link without watermarks or time limits. It's ideal for quick tutorials, bug reports, training clips, and async collaboration. Key capabilities of the tool. Recording modes: full screen or selected region with optimal webcam overlay. Audio capture, microphone for voice narration, and system audio for app sounds. No restrictions, no watermark, and no time limit, suitable for long demos. Instant sharing, autocopy share link to your clipboard after recording. Step-by-step guide to use ScreenRec. Get ScreenRec for Windows and complete the setup wizard. Sign in to enable cloud uploads and instant link sharing. Now optimize basic settings. Set start or stop and pause hotkeys to keep the UI of your recording. Choose recording quality. Enable highlight mouse cursor. Once done, record your clip. To do that, close notifications, tidy desktop, and queue your app or window. Now press the hotkey like here it is Alt+S. Click on the record symbol and start recording. Hit record, speak clearly, and move the cursor purposefully. Keep recordings focused one task per clip to simplify editing later. To stop recording, end the session via hotkey or UI control. The sharing link is copied to your clipboard automatically. You can share the link to social media platforms. To access recent recordings, open ScreenRec and click on the View All the Screen Captures option. You will be redirected to the gallery. From here, you can get a preview, get shareable link, or delete the clip. And that's it. Now you know the best screen capture software and how they stack up. If this guide helped you find the right tool, give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more quick, reliable tech solutions. Already using a screen recorder you love or found a hidden gem we didn't mention? Drop it in the comments. Let's share tips and help the community discover the best tools out there. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next video.